Well, isn't this interesting? So we implemented the Konami code on the numpad. Let's get into it. I turned off the logging for Tileboy. I don't think the problem's there. This is some monkey wrench macros, and this is the toggle variable that needs to be 1, not 0 initially. Otherwise, we are not 1 filling by default. In the Tileboy put function, we have turned off that fucking annoying logging. So right in this DPC chord check section. Right here, we were just doing this just in case to make absolutely sure this helper function was getting called. It sure is. And then in Konamic EVT key, way down at the bottom after we've already done the Konami code, we are now adding this listener code here, right? So we have a reusable function to detect the numpad, and this n10 value will be 0 to 9 if it's valid, and it'll be negative if it is invalid. So if we have the key, this flag will be set to true, and then down here we can use it in the lookup table. So we are inside of this little branch right here where the Konami code is activated. Let's go down to the next delta. This is our reusable function. A lot of code has been moved from previous videos. MOV means it's been moved. MAE means it's been moved and edited a bit. So this is just our reusable function to detect the numpad. And we made a mistake because this reusable function should not be namespaced to keymast because keymast is beneath Konamic, yet Konamic is using this function. That's bad. That's wrecking the dependency ordering. So here inside of keymast down eddy, the down event for the editor, we are now using that reusable function. So we just did a little bit of refactoring to get that to work. And then here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video and the interesting observation we've just found. So let's go back up here. You've been on this playlist. If you want me to describe it in more detail, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. And that has been video 203. Like and subscribe.